Welcome back. In this video, we are taking a look at a very under-the-radar price target for Palantir, which is close to $50. I was basically surprised when I saw no one had covered this, and I wanted to bring it to light and read through the analysis and discuss it. So, Analyst unveils eye-popping Palantir stock price target after Oracle deal. Here's what could happen to Palantir shares next. So this was April 4th, very recently. Many tech stocks, including Palantir Technologies, have rallied significantly because of the artificial intelligence spending boom. Company shares are up 35% year-to-date, outperforming the S&P. However, most of Palantir's market-beating gains have come since the company released its fourth quarter earnings, and we have first quarter earnings coming up in about a month. So we're going to see if that's going to repeat like last time's reaction. One analyst who wasn't too shocked by Palantir's recent rally is the Street Pro's Bruce Kamich. Hope I'm saying that right. In February, before CEO Alex Karp impressed investors with better than expected revenue, he said Palantir is looking bullish ahead of earnings and had a price target of $22. So we're about to see what happened to that $22 price target. Palantir went on to eclipse his price target on March 4th, 1 month ago, and they recently announced a new agreement to collaborate on AI solutions with the cloud service provider Oracle. Given Palantir's rally and the potential to profit on this new deal, our analyst here has revisited his analysis and set a new stock price target for Palantir that will likely raise eyebrows. Palantir sales driven by AI tailwinds. Palantir stock price performance has been supported by a debt-free balance sheet, improving free cash flow and profit growth. The company's revenues experienced tailwinds because of surging AI activity after the successful launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT in December. Actually, I would correct that to November of 2022. AI's potential is seemingly endless, and many are turning to Palantir's expertise in managing and protecting data to train and run new AI apps. In the past, Palantir's sales were largely driven by helping the U.S. government with its counterterrorism efforts. The company still generates significant sales from the U.S. and its allies, but it's also pushed more deeply into managing, interpreting, and reporting data for large companies. Those relationships position it perfectly to assist businesses and government entities with designing AI solutions using its AIP platform. Top and bottom line strength is likely to continue. Wall Street analyst consensus estimate for earnings in 2024 and 2025 is 33 cents, 39 cents, which is up 34% and 17%. And the new deal with Oracle to jointly sell cloud and AI services could open up the use of Palantir's AIP to more users, further driving sales and earnings growth. And Oracle is one of the top 10 cloud providers, and its position as a multi-decade leader in data management means it has global reach. So let's look at this price target. Kamich is a technical analyst who has used price, volume, and technical analysis indicators to navigate stocks and markets for over 50 years. His interpretation of Palantir's charts is behind his correct analysis forecast in February that its shares could climb. So he's right in February. Let's find out. Let's finally get to his target. After looking at the chart, he came away impressed. The share price has been on an upward trading path for the past 12 months, so some good momentum. The shares made a high in early March and pulled back to the rising 50-day moving average line. The slower to reaction, it's got some support at $18, and he's basically talking more about these technicals. So after Palantir stock retreated from the peak above $27 in early March, down day volume doesn't appear to be dwarfed by up day volume. Nearly all the stock's down days in the past month have occurred on lower than average daily trading volume, which is good because it doesn't mean too many people are trying to get out of the stock. It could be just down because of macroeconomic factors. So Kamich has updated his price target using the aforementioned points, and his new target is $48 per share, which is more than double where the shares are currently trading. If Palantir continues to trade mostly above $22, it should look like it is building a base for another move higher. Said he would rethink his outlook if Palantir closes below 18. So before you completely dismiss this guy, and as I try and dismiss this pop-up here, okay, he's more of a journalist, I would say, because he's just exclusively writing for The Street. He has 4.14 stars on tip ranks, so by far better than some of the Palantir bear analysts that are actually getting paid by banks to put out their research. His success rate is 53%, average return of 2%, all positive stuff. He's 5,000 out of 28,000 and 8,000 out of 37,000. So not completely someone you would want to dismiss right away. I know he's focused more on technicals, but he's got the supporting evidence from the fundamental side of things with this Oracle deal. So all in all, I think this is, an interesting angle on things, seeing that if Palantir is able to hold that 18, could it see a significant leg higher? My opinion remains that might come in 2025, not 2024, but good to see this other perspective. And now we have, I would say, a street high target of $48. So I'd love to know what you think about what this new bull is saying, and especially given his more recent rise onto the scene here.